For my code, it will be when you click on the green flag, it will say let's dance for 2 seconds, and then it will repeat four times, like change x by 20 4 times. So let's see how it works. It's like this person was going 4 times on the x-axis, and then switch to costume breaker dance 1A, and then after that it will turn right 36 degrees for 10 times. And then when it reaches the ground, it will say nailed it, and then it will change x by -20 and repeats by 4. So this will go very back, and then it will repeat 5 times by changing the size, so it will get smaller and smaller. So you can see it's getting smaller and smaller, and then it switched to costume breaker dance 1A, 1C, and wait for 10 seconds, and it will say bye. So let's see if we change the x by 10, and then change the size by, let's say, 5. See how this works. So it's doing the same thing on top. Once it hit nailed it, it will do the one that I changed. So it repeats 4 times and change x by 10. So it's going like straight horizontal for 10 times, and then it's getting bigger by 5. And that's it. Thank you.